The local economy is our economy. If we don't buy local, then someone else gets the benefit of us buying somewhere else or doing business somewhere else. It's all about maintaining jobs for the folks in the county, and anything you can do to help is always good. As a matter of fact, Image Advertising in Moyock made the signs, the advertising there on the side of the van. As a matter of fact, the van came from Moyock. I just bought tires not long ago, bought them at Olds in Moyock. Had the air conditioning worked on. All my employees live in Moyock. Currituck's been good to me, and I try to be good to Currituck. The first question everybody should ask is, can I buy it here local? You can't always do it, but you'd be surprised how often you can do it. The fire department and the police department all depend on revenue from the state, and they get that or from local taxes derived from the sales tax. And of course, we get the 1% back from the state on the state sales tax, and that's how they're subsidized. Even the Currituck Animal Shelter is helped with tax money. Of course, with local money too, donations. And of course, if the businesses are doing good, they can have the money to donate to the shelter. My business donates to the shelter. We help every way we can, and everybody wins. We sell and deliver holistic pet food to folks' homes, and it's a very reasonable free delivery. Our goal with this product was to be able to provide food of the highest quality at a reasonable price and deliver it free, and we were able to accomplish that. You look at our ingredients, and once you know what you're looking at, you can look, and this is comparable to anything high quality on the market, but the price is much lower, not to mention it's delivered free.